In the late 13th century, Scotland was embroiled in relentless conflict with England. Amidst this turmoil, a leader began to rise, Robert the Bruce. Known today as a pivotal figure in the Scottish fight for independence, Bruce's journey started in these early days of struggle and resilience. As Scotland teetered on the brink of despair, Bruce emerged as a beacon of hope, destined to change history. At the heart of this narrative is his early involvement in the wars that would shape his legacy. Join us as we explore the life of Robert the Bruce, from obscurity to national hero. This is where courage meets destiny, setting the stage for one of the most defining battles in Scottish history, the Battle of Bannockburn. Stay with us as we unravel his story. In the early days of the Scottish War for Independence, Robert the Bruce faced numerous challenges. Internal disputes threatened his leadership, while external pressures from England loomed large. Yet, Bruce's strategic acumen began to shine. He navigated political complexities, forging alliances and making tactical decisions that set the stage for future successes. His perseverance was unwavering, learning from setbacks and shaping his path with resilience. These early challenges were stepping stones in his journey towards becoming a pivotal leader. With each move, he demonstrated an unyielding commitment, laying the groundwork for the battles ahead. As we delve deeper into his story, witness how these formative experiences prepared him for monumental challenges, ultimately defining his legacy in Scottish history. Next, we'll explore how Bruce consolidated power, building a stronghold for the battles ahead. In the heart of Scotland, Robert the Bruce was weaving a tapestry of strength and strategy. Through shrewd alliances, he gathered support, uniting clans under his banner, each pledge fortifying his cause. As he solidified power, Bruce transformed the land with strategic fortifications, creating bastions of resilience. These were not just castles or stone walls, but symbols of hope for a nation yearning for independence. His vision extended beyond immediate battles. It was about preparing for larger confrontations looming on the horizon. With every alliance and fortification, Bruce was not just securing territory, but laying the groundwork for a future where Scotland could stand free. As tensions rise, Bruce's preparations set the stage for the monumental battle that would change history forever. Bannockburn awaits. In medieval Scotland, tension was palpable. Robert the Bruce stood on the brink of a pivotal moment, the Battle of Bannockburn. As English forces loomed, Bruce meticulously orchestrated his preparations, embodying unparalleled resolve and vision. He knew this battle could turn the tide in Scotland's struggle for independence. Every decision was deliberate, every movement calculated. Bruce's strategies were rooted in keen foresight, ensuring his troops were ready. He exploited the terrain to his advantage. His leadership was about inspiration, not just tactics. Under Bruce's command, the Scottish forces were more than soldiers. They were a band of brothers, committed to the cause of freedom. As they prepared for battle, Bruce's charisma and strategic acumen shone, galvanizing his army with the promise of victory and hope for a free Scotland. As the dawn of battle approached, Bruce's meticulous groundwork set the stage for a confrontation that would resonate through the ages. With determination etched into every face, they awaited the clash that could change their fate. The stage was set for Bannockburn, a battle showcasing Bruce's leadership, altering Scottish history forever. Next, we delve into the battle itself, a turning point in the war for independence. The Battle of Bannockburn stands as a testament to Robert the Bruce's resilience and strategic brilliance. Amidst the Scottish struggle for independence, this battle was a defining moment. Under Bruce's leadership, the Scottish forces faced a formidable English army. On June 23, 1314, the Scottish army was poised to defend their homeland against a larger English force. Bruce's strategic placement of his troops in Bannockburn's narrow confines proved crucial. Bruce's leadership shone as he inspired his men with unwavering confidence. The first day of battle was marked by fierce skirmishes, each clash testing the resolve and strength of both armies. Amidst the chaos, Robert the Bruce, a master of strategy and unwavering leadership, orchestrated a daring counterattack that turned the tide of the conflict. As his forces surged forward with unrelenting determination, the battlefield echoed with the clash of steel and the cries of victory. The English lines wavered and broke under the weight of Bruce's tactical brilliance. their retreat a clear testament to his unyielding resolve. By day's end, the field belonged to Bruce, and the seeds of triumph were firmly sown. This triumph at Bannockburn was more than a military victory. It marked a turning point in Scotland's quest for independence. It solidified Robert the Bruce's legacy as a national hero, whose leadership and vision paved the way for a free Scotland. As we transition to the aftermath, we explore how this victory bolstered Scottish morale and set the stage for future gains in their fight for independence. The Battle of Bannockburn was more than a military victory. It was a watershed moment for Scotland's quest for independence. In its aftermath, Scottish morale soared, invigorated by the taste of freedom. The triumph solidified Robert the Bruce's status as a national hero, inspiring countless others with his vision and courage. His legend grew as stories of his bravery and strategic genius spread. The battle dealt a severe blow to English forces and kindled a renewed sense of unity among Scots. This unity would be pivotal as Scotland continued its struggle for sovereignty. Bruce's success at Bannockburn marked a significant step towards full independence, setting the stage for future diplomatic and military efforts. This victory's echoes resonate through history, underscoring perseverance and leadership's power. As we explore the road to independence, we see how this victory laid the groundwork for Scotland's future freedom. In the aftermath of Bannockburn, Robert the Bruce emerged not just as a victor, but as a beacon of hope for a nation yearning for freedom. The battle had turned the tide, but the journey toward true independence was far from over. Bruce's resolve never wavered. He knew military might alone wouldn't secure Scotland's future, so he embarked on a campaign of diplomacy and strategic maneuvering. Bruce forged alliances and negotiated tirelessly, seeking recognition of Scotland's sovereignty from European powers and the Pope. His diplomatic finesse complemented his military prowess, each step bringing Scotland closer to its destiny. Yet the path was arduous. For years, Bruce balanced warfare with negotiation, understanding that battlefield victories needed solidifying in the halls of power. His leadership inspired a nation. The Scottish people rallied behind him, buoyed by his vision and determination. Bruce's actions laid a foundation that would eventually lead to the Treaty of Edinburgh-Northampton in 1328, recognizing Scotland's independence. As we reflect on this journey, it becomes clear that the road to independence was as much about strategic diplomacy as valor in battle. Robert the Bruce's legacy is one of perseverance and leadership, qualities that continue to inspire generations. As we transition to our final segment, we'll explore how his legacy has shaped Scotland's identity and history. Reflecting on Robert the Bruce's legacy, we see a leader whose courage and vision paved the way for Scottish independence. His triumph at Bannockburn was not just a battle won, but a symbol of hope and resilience for Scotland. Bruce's strategic brilliance and unwavering determination transformed him into a national hero, inspiring generations. His achievements echo through history, reminding us of perseverance and leadership's power. Robert the Bruce's story is one of a nation's fight for freedom, forever shaping Scottish history. His enduring legacy is a testament to the indomitable spirit of a people united under his leadership. As we close this chapter, we celebrate Bruce not only as a conqueror, but as the architect of Scotland's independence, a hero whose impact resonates today, reminding us that through unity and courage, even the greatest challenges can be overcome. This is the legacy of Robert the Bruce, a legend immortalized in history.